UCOR has demolished the Low Intensity Test Reactor at the Oak Ridge National Lab. This was the second reactor the company has demolished at ORNL. The reactor facility was built in 1949 for criticality testing using highly enriched fuel with water as a coolant. During demolition, the team encountered many challenges, but found solutions that allowed them to execute the work safely and compliantly. To complete demolition, workers used a crane to raise the 30-foot-long, 37,600-pound reactor structure out of its housing and place it in a specialized carbon metal container for shipment. The destination of the reactor is still being determined. UCOR began demolishing the three-story facility in March, bringing down the outer structure and various ancillary facilities. The team used a high-reach crane to remove a trolley and bridge crane from the building. They then removed precast cement slabs and shield blocks before tackling the main reactor structure. The demolition produced more than 1.1 million pounds of waste, which had to be sorted, tested, analyzed, and reduced before being disposed of at an on-site facility. Crews working in the former filter house, Building 3002, at the Oak Ridge Graphite Reactor, are removing hundreds of contaminated rock wool and roughing filters. During operation, air from the graphite reactor passed through these filters before being exhausted through the Building 3003 fan house and out of the 3018 stack. The filters are configured in 4 separate chambers. Crews gain access to the chambers through an exhaust duct between Buildings 3002 and 3003. These filters and associated waste are being removed, sampled, and packaged for eventual demolition in early 2024. Crews at the Oak Ridge Research Reactor, Building 3042, are removing materials from the reactor pool. These materials, some of which must be cut into smaller pieces, will be loaded into an empty cask liner. The maximum weight that the liner can hold is 14,150 pounds. After crews fill the liner with the waste items, they will lift it above the water, allow it to drip dry, and then load it into the cask for safe shipment and disposal. This removal will bring the facility closer to being ready for demolition. The Exposure Unit, or EU-39 Remedial Action team at ETTP, is making great progress. They've excavated more than 5,800 cubic yards of soil that has been shipped to the Environmental Management Waste Management Facility for disposal. Another 472 cubic yards of waste have been containerized for characterization and disposal off-site. EU-39 covers the area where the K1420 building once stood. The project is comprised of 20 separate excavation areas. This activity includes removing suspected mercury piping found in the northwest corner of the K1420 footprint. This project is expected to wrap up next spring. UCOR's Environmental Management and Planning Manager, Kevin Ironside, gave an overview of the company's cleanup and reindustrialization progress to the 2023 class of Leadership East Tennessee when they toured the Y-12 National Security Complex. Y-12 contractor, Consolidated Nuclear Security, invited UCOR to share how the company's cleanup is paving the way for continued national security infrastructure investments. Leadership East Tennessee gives current and emerging leaders from 16 counties the opportunity to learn more about important issues across the region. Recently, UCOR has been recognized by 6 national organizations for outstanding performance in safety and sustainability. The Association of Union Constructors presented UCOR with the Thomas J. Reynolds Award for achieving superior safety rates. In July, the Global Electronics Council honored UCOR with the EPEAT Purchaser Award. This was the 9th consecutive year UCOR received the award for excellence in sustainable purchasing of IT products. Also in July, the National Safety Council recognized UCOR with the 2023 Industry Leader Award. That award honored UCOR's excellent safety performance in waste management and remediation. The Department of Energy again recognized UCOR with the DOE Star of Excellence Safety Award. In addition, UCOR's original Fitness for Duty program, known as the Mission Ready program, earned the company its 4th consecutive Safety Innovation Award from the Voluntary Protection Program's Participants Association. UCOR's strong focus on protecting our workers no matter where they are earned a Safety Standout Award from the EHS Daily Advisor.
We're thrilled and want to thank EHS Daily Advisor for the recognition of UCOR and our workforce as it relates to worker safety and health. This award is an affirmation of really all the hard work that our workforce does day in and day out.
UCOR also received the Statewide Outstanding Achievement Award, or SOAR Award, from the state of Tennessee. The award recognized our workforce development partnership with Roane State Community College.
Stay tuned to see the progress we make next month and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter.